We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about Calphalon 2099742 ActiveSense 2-liter blender with Blend & Go Smoothie Cup. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well-known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Calphalon 2099742 ActiveSense 2-liter blender with Blend & Go Smoothie Cup, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview Summary. Achieve precisely blended results with the Calphalon Actives 2-liter blender with Blend & Go Smoothie Cup. It features ActiveSense technology to sense the mixture in the jar and automatically adjust the power to maintain blade speed and deliver perfectly blended results, regardless of the recipe. The 5 food mode presets are perfect for everyday juice and smoothie blending, and the salsa, milkshake, and frozen drink settings are ready for specialty mixing without the need to watch over the mix. The add liquid indicator helps prevent air pockets, so the mixture is consistent every time. The digital interface makes it easy to program and adjust settings for intuitive control. Dual direction blades and a powerful 1200 watts motor easily pulverize ingredients in seconds. If you're running out the door or headed to the gym, the Blend & Go Smoothie Cup lets you add ingredients and blend inside the 6-ounce cup, then take it with you for portable convenience. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.